Hey everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will be showing you how to withdraw your Timo balance. So without further ado, let's dive in. First, open your Timo app and head over to the account section. From there, navigate to your credit balance. So a common question we can get is, can I withdraw my credit balance? Unfortunately, the answer is no. But I reach out for support. But let me show you first what is the reason. If you tap on the little information icon usually found in the upper right corner, you will see details about your Temu credit balance. Scroll down to find the section that addresses this specific question. Your credit balance can only be used for purchase on Temu. Typically, you will not be able to redeem your Temu credit balance for a cash. Credit balance in your Temu account will never expire. If you have a question regarding your credit, please contact customer service for help. So unfortunately, you cannot withdraw your credit balance as cash. However, there are many ways to use it. But here's something interesting. I reached out to the support center and they kindly said that if this credit came from a refund on an order, then it is possible. We can check that for you. So if your credit balance is the result of refund, there might be a way to withdraw it as a cash. It's always worth reaching out to Teamer support team for clarification. However, if that's not the case, your credit balance is still highly valuable. So, here's why. You can use your Team Credit Balance to place orders on the platform, and the system will automatically deduct your credit balance first. Even better, you can combine your credit with coupons, free shipping promotions, and other special offers to potentially reduce your order amount to zero. So, while withdrawing cash usually isn't an option, your credit balance can still be put to a great use. Alright, now you know the reason and some great ways to manage your credits. That's it and happy shipping.